How are you this morning? What do you have?
Umbrella.
An umbrella? And what motivated you to go outside today when it was raining? You decided you wanted to go out?
Yeah.
Okay. And you forced your dad to come with you?
It's starting to rain.
Uh-huh.
It's starting to rain.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It is starting to rain, isn't it?
Yeah, Dad. Come on, Daddy. Let's walk here. All the way to all the way to footprint. What? Bridge. The bridge. Daddy.
Daddy's here. Daddy's here, baby.
It's raining, Daddy.
You look like a little orange mushroom.
Where's the orange mushroom?
You look like a blue and orange mushroom. That's what you look like.
Whoa. Come on, Daddy. It's starting to rain.
It is starting to rain, isn't
Daddy,
it?
it's summertime.
It's summertime, right?
I want to get snowy, Daddy.
It will get snowy when it gets to be wintertime.
And also get winter time.
Right now it's summertime.
How, Daddy? How?
Huh?
How, Daddy?
How?
How?
How? It will get cold and then it will snow.
Oh. No, the snow is in the sky.
Yes, the snow is in the sky and it only comes in the wintertime.
Oh.
Isn't that nice?
Daddy, let's smell the great flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Let's smell the great flowers.
Right. Let's do that. Smell the flowers. You know the song...
It smells like candy.
Does it smell like candy?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
Come on, Daddy, let's go hide in this bushes.
Okay.
Let's find one.
Shall we go hide in the bushes?
Yeah. I need to count to 10, Daddy.
Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you caught me. Find some more bushes? Okay. How about some picka bushes?
Let's find some more bushes.
Okay.
Skinny legs is too.
Is Mr. Skinny Legs there?
No, I don't. I'm walking in the wet, Daddy.
You are.
So, I'm doing my watering.
Okay.
I'm doing my watering.
You're doing your watering?
Mama, right here. This is also right here.
Yeah.
Jumping in muddy puddles.
Oh, you don't want to make a mess, though. When you jump in muddy puddles, right?
I must wear my boots.
Yes, you must wear your boots like Peppa Pig.
Pig and Wilma jump in muddy puddles.
Yes, Peppa Pig jumps in muddy puddles, but she always wears her boots.
And the muddy puddle get and what's the muddy puddle?
They
And
can.
the muddy puddle get so cold.
Yeah, that's right.
The muddy puddle. Ooh, I can see myself in the muddy puddle.
That's right. You can, huh? It's like a mirror.
Shiny, Daddy Pig. It's shiny, Daddy Pig.
It is Peppa
You
Pig.
should use that too.
Yes.
Oh, Daddy Pig, you show it in your face too.
Oh, I show it in my face too? Oh, there. I see myself. I see myself there.
Yes, Daddy Pig.
All right. Well, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.